Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on configuring your WordPress site to disable the audio block for administrators. This guide will lead you step by step through the process so that you can complete the task efficiently in about 5 minutes. We begin with accessing your WordPress site. Open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress homepage where you normally manage your website. Once you are on the WordPress page, locate the login option typically found at the top right corner of the screen. You should click on the login link to proceed. This action opens the login form where you have the option to quickly sign into your account by using your preferred credential method. After clicking on the login option, you will see the choice to continue using a third-party authentication. At this point, select the option that states continue with Google. When you click on this, your browser will display a list of your Google accounts. Simply choose the account that is connected to your WordPress dashboard. This method streamlines the login process by eliminating the need for manually entered credentials. With your account successfully authenticated via your chosen Google account, your next step is to navigate to the editing section of your website. Look for the quick link section on your dashboard. Within this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this will take you to the site editor where you can make adjustments to various elements of your website. Inside the site editor, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will see 3 dots, which is the icon that represents additional settings options. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This action opens up a menu of additional functionalities that lets you manage the underlying settings of your site. After you have clicked on the 3 dots, you should now see an option labeled Preferences. Select this option to access the Preferences panel. In the Preferences section, you are provided with further site customization options, which include settings related to blocks, layout, and overall editing configurations. This is an important area where you can control many aspects of how content is displayed and edited. Within the Preferences panel, locate the section that is specifically named Blocks. This section is designed to allow you to enable or disable various blocks that are available in the editor. Once you click on blocks, you will be presented with a list of different block options that are integrated into your WordPress site. Now that you are within the block settings, your focus should be on the audio block. Carefully scroll through the list until you find the audio block option. Once located, you will see a control to turn off this block. Simply toggle or switch off the audio block setting so that it is disabled for administrators. Disabling the audio block ensures that it no longer appears as an option when administrators are editing or creating content on the site. Following the completion of these steps, you have successfully disabled the audio block for administrators on your WordPress site. This process, which takes only about 5 minutes, helps you streamline the editing experience and maintain control over which functionalities are available across different user roles. Enjoy the simplicity and improved control over your site editing experience offered by these settings.